guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. Update naman tayo kay Casey Concepcion. Pang-apat nga si Casey na celebrities on TikTok who are Rockstar and the Kitchen. Dito nga po ay kasama dito si Marvin Agustin, pangalawa si Casey Concepcion at si Erwin Yusuf. Nakaka-proud naman si Casey Concepcion at napasama nga dito sa TikTok. Pang-apat nga po dito si Ninong Ray. So ayan po, makikita nga naman natin ang challenge na pinost nga ni Casey sa kanyang TikTok at marami ang pumupuri sa kanya ngayon at sinasabi nga ng iba, comment dito, Casey Concepcion maybe have become independent at the young age while living and studying in Paris, but this multiple talented lady when I learned how to cook during quarantine. She was living by herself when lockdown happened and decided it was time to figure out how to prepare her own meals at home. As she learned new recipes, her interest in cooking grew even more. In this video, she creates her own version of Asian chicken curry. So, ayan po yung kanyang ang sinabi sa kanya dito na-notice nga dito ang kanyang TikTok sa kanyang pagluluto at nakasama nga niya dito si Marvin Agustin at si Erwin Yusuf. So, ayan po, nakaka-proud naman talaga ginawa ni Casey Concepcion. Update muli tayo kay Casey Concepcion. Dito nga po sa kanyang IG post, kumakailan lang. At sinasabi nga niya, in between Zoom meetings, handling this and studying, I want to take this moment to say. At napaka-blooming naman ni Casey ngayon. Napakaganda ng kanyang ngiti. Hi, I hope you are doing better than you think and I hope you are healthy. Well safe. And also mga netizens, marami ang mga comment dito at sinasabi nila, ikaw din Ate Casey, mag-iingat ka, stay safe and healthy. Why so blooming ngayon Ate Casey at napakaganda ng iyong ngiti.